Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Markets still going wild. Wow, wow, wow. ES, record high right now, 67.78. Low, 67.56. 50, yeah. Sorry, mind freeze. 56, 76, 22 points in range. NQ, 25,001, and its high is 154, also an all-time high. We just keep going higher. 153 points in range. Dow's not going higher, though. Not sure why the Dow's lagging. Kappa, been rising up, too. Rising up, back in the game, 260 ticks or so. The Treasuries, Ultra Bond. Ah. Sorry about that. My cat started puking. I figured you didn't want to hear that. Ultra Bond, about 21 ticks. Gold rising up. It's trying to get back to its all-time high. And it has about 40 points in range. Crude oil been dropping. About 130 ticks. Natural gas up and down. Bitcoin sitting at almost at 119. There you have it. That's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this beautiful fall morning. So I am going to figure out what Apex account this is on right now. We're going to put it on so many. We're going to put it in that one. And we're going to put them on the bot. As I find it. There it is. Let's edit the bot. There we go. All right. All right. What do we want to put it on? Which 2 minute or 1 minute? That's the question. That is the question. 2 minutes been doing better. I'm gonna put it on the 2 minute and see how it works. 2 minute, 2 minute, 2 minute. Where am I putting that in? My brain is not working this morning. I forgot to set up the coffee last night. Okay. All right. Turning that on. Good morning, Crypticon. How are you? No. Q down there. And Q. And I want ES up here. There we go. I mean, I finished red yesterday about $180, but we can get that back. That's not a problem. They added 2 more people to the competition, and me, wow, me and Rod Casilli were the only 2 that ended up red on the day, and Cove Trader. So 3 reds. CFT did the most. So, but that's okay. Morning stumps. Bunch of people didn't trade at all yesterday. That's weird. So, time to play the game today. It's time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. It's all about control and if you can take it. I have the bot running, not on the contest account, but on an Apex eval, which will be shown on the screen. I will be managing it, but I'm going to let it run over 2 days. It's made it almost enough to pass an Apex eval if it had been on an eval. I can set it up to run gold this evening. Nice, Crypt. Now, it did get caught up yesterday in this. We turn back time. I should have turned it off before the mock, because this ended up being ugly. Stop, and then finally got a win there. So in the matter of 10 minutes, it took 3 stops and got 1 win. Oh yeah, I guess I should have a chart up. That was a 1-minute fill there. There we go. Purple candle trying to come down. ATM right now is just based on ATR. I have it's just stops and targets. I analyzed everything on the 2-minute chart yesterday, every trade it took, and it looks like I should put in a break-even stop if it goes more than 10 points. That would have saved a couple of trades. silver kind of following gold. Oh wow, yeah, it really is. I don't even remember the last time I looked at silver, but I know that number is way higher. Big pop here on this candle. That was a big blue pop. Oh, news this morning? I don't think we have our normal news this morning. Nope. We have no unemployment claims today. So far, both bots are red. They started at 30 minutes before I did. Feels like we're exhausted here. ATR about 5.5 on the 2 minute, 4 on the 1. Gold giving me a short signal on the 15 minute. And that's interesting. I see daylight on that. That is a new candle, so we got 15 minutes to wait. That kind of sucks. Yeah, I got one running on a 1 minute and a 2 minute on the test. I could run multiples. I could run it on multiple time frames on multiple assets. Just put. It's all the same code, just different settings. It would work on a tick chart. Not sure about a bar chart. No, probably not a bar. It needs to have candles. And I don't think the red and blue. I mean, the blue and purple would form on a bar chart. I haven't looked. Oh, I thought we were exhausted. Now there it goes, still going. I'm gonna switch over. Just curious now. Not that I've never used a bar chart, but uh, I mean I don't know how to read it, but the bars do turn blue and purple on the on TradingView. So I have no idea how that would actually work, but Interesting. Yeah, candles and EMAs. So yeah, I don't know if an EMA works on a bar either. I have no idea. I've never ever played with bar charts. And odd fact about me, I've never been in a bar. Oh, okay. This bar, my kind of place. Now, Matt added a setting for me yesterday that could prevent some of the stop out that the 1 minute's doing, but I don't know. Keeps entering these blue candles and keeps stopping out a little bit. Q just continuing to this rise. Good morning, JC. Sorry I missed you there. Morning, Amelia. How are you? Just a grind up here right now. Big pullback there in gold. This is down 4.5. I need to find a gold chart. There it is.
Target filled.
Yeah. But it's just the evals. He's still got to get to 9,000. He actually blew the consistency, so he gave himself a bigger target. I think his target's now 10,000 to pass. Yeah, you have to follow. It's a trade day eval. Follow to it just like if you would buy one.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oops. I just entered a gold trade on the Tradeify. I was looking at the wrong candle. I meant to enter. Okay, why aren't we showing? Did we enter on that? I have too many charts. Hold on. No, it didn't enter. Okay. I was looking at the wrong chart. So I've entered in a gold trade. It looks like it's gonna stop me out here. I don't know. I don't know if I should move my stop. Yeah, I'll move it. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Nope, no jobless claims today. Yeah, the other thing interesting, JC, is I'm pretty sure he's trading the Ultra Bond. And I'm sure he's probably the only one that's trading the Ultra Bond. So that there's also that aspect to it. Probably, there's going to be no non-farm payroll tomorrow, and there'll be no CPI or PPI if this continues. I really hate that I got in that gold trade early. Now it's not even a valid. Well, I mean, it's half valid. We'll see what happens.
Target filled.
So where I should have got in that gold trade was 39.08. Instead, I got in 5.9. So I got in 2.1 tick, 21 ticks early. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm probably going to stop out. Morning, Ron. Yep, gold's bouncing, follow me up. Q trying to bite down here. And we're going to take a short. The bot's not taking the short here, but I am.
Order filled. Order filled.
I mean, the bot did take a short there, but on the 1 minute. Oh, wow. I swear, they're using AI more with emails, and it's not working out. Gold bounced right back up, and I'm going to end up taking a big loss on the thing, and I'm going to embarrass myself in this whole competition. I should have got out as soon as I realized I got in at the wrong time. Yeah, water departments don't play. It's not like they don't give you that leeway that it seems like other utilities will give you.
Stop filled.
Yep, stopped out on gold, so that's gonna be hard to dig out of. Damn it.
Order filled.
Well, I was going to say, what's the N6? GC normally moves up, just like, I mean, it's, up and down. I'm not really sure. You know, I looked at a 15-minute chart. There was a purple candle, but I should have got out because the purple candle came down right to the 9 and bounced off of it. I got in early accidentally looking at the wrong chart, and it just bounced.
Stop fill.
Stopped out. It's like it's going to stop me out and form purple here. Maybe not. With no news catalysts, we might have a very choppy day. There's probably people that still expect it, news catalysts, and are like, what the hell? What? Shush. No one wants to hear you. Morning, John. How's your dad, right? How's your dad?
Stop fill.
Gold came right back down.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try a gold trade again. See if I can get my money back. If not, I'll just blow the frickin' account. That's probably not the smartest idea I had. Oh, there was a purple candle in the one. It'll pull back here on NQ. Morning, Robin. How are you? Doing all right. Bitcoin closing in on 120. Morning, RJ. Bot's going to want to take a short here.
Order filled.
Gold's gotten all choppy.
Order filled.
Gold, the bot took a short. I would not have taken a short here because we were in a gray area. But we'll see. I am going to move the stop that the bot put in to the top of the trigger candle. Bot wants 6 points.
Stop filled.
Bot 1 got stopped out. And it's going to stop out. So I should have never let it take that gray can that on that gray shaded area.
Stop filled.
Yep, just stopped out.
Stop filled.
Not much moving this morning as we head toward the top of the hour. Platinum with a nice move up. Russell falling. Russell have been a great trade. Oh, Ultra Bond, big fall. I bet you CFT just got his for the day. Reminder, folks, today is Greg Trades YM's birthday. Go into the Discord and wish him a happy birthday. I'm going to take another stop on gold. It's decided it just doesn't want to go down. NQ popping up. Not sure when NQ and gold decided to start going all in the same direction at the same time, but going to pull back there on NQ. Just tough to trade around all-time highs and both, the indices and NQ, ES all-time highs, gold near all-time highs. Again, expected to see a pullback at some point with the government shutdown, and apparently the markets love that the government shut down. And gold coming back down. Oh, gold stopped me out. And I don't know why I entered this competition. I can't trade. Hey, USC. Hey, JJR. Wait, you were already here, weren't you? Yeah, you were already here. Why am I telling you hello again?
Order bill.
Top of the hour. Bot took a trade.
Target bill.
Bot won a trade. Wow, that's a quick pop. Wow. Up to 173. Hmm. 233.75 target where? Oh, thank you. Wow. I was confused for a second, which isn't abnormal. Yeah, it took me a minute. Just because we were only in the hundreds, and I wasn't, my mind wasn't even wrapping around going higher, that much higher. Can you take us higher? No, 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 no. Nothing to be sorry for, Stubbs. I was just confused for a second. That's not an abnormal occurrence for me. Wow, look at gold blowing up. I didn't take the blue. So if I had taken the blue candle in the 15-minute chart on gold, I would have a win now. Yeah, I was just saying a bit ago, John, that we're at all-time highs. We have no news catalysts, and it's kind of rough sledding right now. Getting a little boost from Tesla, I think. Looks like they beat their uh, estimate for quarter three deliveries by like 60,000. Awesome, John. Gold did look crude looked very choppy until this quick move down. Bot one's down 440. Bot two is down 210. Down 180 from yesterday, down 800 today. So not well. Yeah, John DeFore is a big bot trader. I mean, he trade, but the thing is, John trades much better than his bots do almost always. Yeah, I have a test on a 2 minute and a 1 minute running. The 2 minute bot would be almost at a past 50K eval if I had been running it on an account that matters. In 2 days. I ran it Tuesday and Wednesday, and it was up like $2,500.
Order bill.
I took a short.
Order bill.
Took a short in both. Small target. It's a small target. 170. Damn. You kidding me? Got the 170 half. No, I wanted.
Target bill.
Okay. I just got a 2-point win on the competition account with 5 contracts. It is. It's earnings time already? Yeah, it feels like it never ends. Uh, Dave, you're on the wrong account. Yeah, I know. I mean, I know it's every 3 months. It just seems like the cycle, like it. I don't know. Once again, reminder today is Greg Trades YM's birthday, so if anyone wants to stop in on the Discord and wish him a happy birthday. Well, the Trump is and the SEC is considering a change to make it that companies only need to report twice a year instead of every quarter. I agree, but the thing is, Stumps, I feel like only like maybe 5 companies really move the market anyway. Our markets, NQ, ES, or whatever. Like Nvidia and Microsoft and Apple. No, still way down. I need like a 10-point trade on 5 contracts. But I'm glad I took the small win there because it didn't go much further. And now you can see on the thing here, it's back to just about back to break even. Morning, Platt. So I think this might stop the bot out here. And I think it'll take that blue candle if it holds.
Order filled.
I'm confused.
Stop filled. About 12 minutes till the bell. Remember, there was no unemployment claims today, and there will be no on-farm payroll tomorrow. And unless something changes, we won't get CPI or PPI this month either. Purple candle.
Okay, bot took a short here off that purple. Reminder, folks, Lucid got Tradovate and NinjaTrader yesterday, and they're running a 50% sale, which is the biggest sale I've ever seen with Lucid. It's limited to 2 accounts for 50%, and the rest is 40%. But they are one-time fee only, no monthly recurring fee, no setup fees. It's one of the best deals going. They have both direct-to-funded and evals, and they're fast becoming one of my favorite firms. Yeah, Lucid's a very good firm. Speaking of not so good firms, Elite Trader Funding banned third-party trade copiers yesterday. Bot just took a short. Morning, Donna. How are you today? You mean resetting an eval? Honestly, Ace, it would be best if you just cancel the one you have and then well, okay, Ace, here's your two choices. You can cancel the one you have and just buy a new one, or wait till that one renews and it will reset itself when it renews. But if you reset it right now, it'll still renew at the same time. Right. So yeah, it's better to either wait for the renewal and let it reset itself because they'll give you a free reset on the renewal, or cancel it and then just start over with a whole new one. Doing good, Donna. Thank you. And right now they're 80% off. So a 50K account would be about $33, Ace.
Yep, we just hit target on our trade. We did not hit Walmart though. Oh. Don't judge me for my humor. Choppy as we head toward the bell. Market doesn't know what it wants to do. It knows it should be going down. Market's going to go down. Oh, chill out. You're not going to eat it anyway. You never eat egg. USC says hi. Hold on. I'll get you a piece of egg. Hold on. There you go. You're not going to eat it. Go ahead. Prove me wrong. I have to hit a button in a minute.
2 minutes till the bell.
Sounds like the cat's voicing its displeasure with that decision, Ace.
Order filled. Target filled.
Wow. Quick burst down here right before the bell. Here, I need to trade now. So we want that egg, eat it. Just eat it. Gold. Look at gold popping right before the bell.
Order filled. Target filled.
And I was going to take a short there, and I decided not to. Now I wish I had. I was going to go short 5 contracts on the competition account. Damn it. Apple. Been a long time. Where you been?
That candle looks bigger than what it is. It's only 18 points. Continue in the fall. Watching for a bounce. More bounce to the ounce. I'm very sorry to hear that, Apple. I'm glad that your wife has recovered, but very sorry to hear about your losses. Still falling. Can it take us lower? Oh, sorry. Gold pulling back.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Still coming down. Quite the drop. Idiot. Still falling. Gold, big drop. Down 11.5 points since the open. Well, if I had just taken a short, I would be right where I need to be in the competition. First sign of a bounce. This is just bloody. Bloody hell. Question is, do I want to take a short on gold? That's a big old purple candle. NQ down 119 points since the open. Nice work, John. Prolonged Wealth just blew his competition account. He's got the reset.
Order filled.
I'm long on the competition account. In at 55. Should have took it at 65. That would have been a good win. Hold on, it's coming back. No, it's not. Damn it. I got greedy. Hold on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's hitting that. See, 65 is the 9 EMA.
There it goes. There it goes. Burst through. Burst through. Ah,
Order filled.
damn it. Well, I got 8.5 points. That got me some back. I could have got more, but it fired back on me. Good morning, Hassan. I'm mad at myself, guys, and I don't know why. I mean, if I had taken the short any time in that and went with the trend, but instead I was fighting the trend. I mean, I finally got a win fighting the trend, but I took a big loss fighting the trend. And I keep doing that. Everyone's looking for apps that lock you out in a certain way after if you hit a certain amount down or whatever. I need an app that I need a lockout mechanism that doesn't allow me to go against trend. Meanwhile, the bot's taking all the time off. I should have taken the gold short. Look at that, it's still coming down. And NQ comes back down. The NQ must come down, and it must come down hard. This is the sell-off we were expecting yesterday. Another bounce spot here, possibly. Nice bounce. Until I said that, then it decided to go the other way. This is going to actually trigger a short on the 1 minute chart for the bot. Or not. Is there something wrong with my bots? That's weird. Oh, no, we have the protection in place. That's right. So, of course, it's going to win. Now, possible bounce. I see a blue candle trying to form there on the 2. I see blue. Blue on the 2. Much different than a 4 on the floor. Big blue. Wish I had taken the 1 minute blue, but that's okay.
Order filled.
What is 60? Huh? Okay, I'll take 60. Don't come back down on me. I'm long on the competition account. I should probably put that in what you guys see, but right now the bot's not doing anything. I'm long at 25,049, shooting for 25,059. 5 contracts. Wow, it got. Are you serious? Got with a 2 ticks of my target and pulled back. Oh my God. Come on, don't do that to me. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Go back up.
Topstep.
Stopped out. 2 ticks for my target. I would have been less than $300 down in the account, and then it goes full stop.
Order filled. Target filled.
Boom! There we go. I just got 20 points back on 5 contracts. Entry 25,036, exit 25,066. Much better. Yeah, 5 minis. Still trying to push up here. We get the rebound now. Reminder, folks, scoring the like button will bring you good luck. The last 10 people that scored the like button won at least one trade in the next 5 days. It's kind of hemming and hawing here now. We could see a short popping here on the bot on the 2 minute. I said the last 10 people that have hit the like button won at least one trade in the next 5 days. No, I mean that would be cool if I could give a free eval to everybody, but maybe one day. One day over the rainbow. uh, Absolutely, John, because we got more likes and more views on the Asia session than we do on a normal morning session now.
Order filled.
Bot just took a trade. You can, in fact, I think it probably just took the trade there, right? Yes. Now I would not have taken that trade because his blue candle's in the gray area. So let's see what happens. Pretty sure it's going to stop out because that gray area is a reversal signal for me normally. Yep, it's going to stop out. And that's a big stop. So that's the one I should have stopped it from taking. I was kind of trying to let the bot do its thing. But yeah, that one on. If that was on a funded account, I would have never let it take that trade. Some reason the 1 minute bot stopped. So it should have just went short. I don't know what's going on with it. It should be running. I'm glad it didn't take that short because it's popping back up. But The Netherlands guy that came in that night and said he was going to come into the day streams has never shown up. And speaking of Netherlands, where's MR today? Market's kind of slowed down. Just start doing longer fasts, and then you don't have to worry about that. You see. Why are we doing 120-hour fasts Monday through Friday so I don't miss a trading session? Oh, not seeing much opportunity here. Purple candle, the bot's going to want to take that. Bot didn't take it. My bots are broken, and I'm not sure why. Uh-oh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Did he put that in there? Hold on a minute. I think I know why. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. I think I know why I didn't take it, but I'm not sure. So it would explain it. Awesome, Hassan. French toast sounds good. How's your trading today, RJ? Oh, wow. Dow absolutely just flummoxed down. Yes, I used the word flummox. Excellent, USC. CME to offer around-the-clock trading for crypto futures and options trading to start early 2026. Crypto futures and options. Trying to start now. 15-minute chart told me I should have went long and just stayed long. Hard to do that. I need one more 10-point win on with 5 contracts to get back to break even. Okay, my funded futures has an announcement. I have to try and figure this one out. I can't figure it out. The free Flex add-on for the 50K scale plan is now available. You can now make $6,000 per payout request, 2 minis at the sim-funded stage scales to 5. Instant payout, 0 activation fees, request 50% of profits in the sim-funded stage. Available for a limited time. Bot just took a trade. Chop City, USA. The 1 minute bot took a trade at 25.076 and it's looking for 25.091. Ooh, rejection.
Stop sale.
Stopped out.
Order filled.
Now it's short. It's going to get stopped out again. Bot's going to get chopped. Maybe not. I now regret not taking that short. I should have. Gold's still falling. Wow, that was a pretty big fall on gold. Have a good day, JC. Wow, the signal line. Wow. So let's blow up gold for a second here. You know, I look at this for a reversal when the yellow line, the yellow signal line, and the RSI line separate. And I'm looking above, when it goes above 25, it alerts me above 30. Right now, it's negative 41.5, which is one of the largest separations I've ever seen on any chart. So it should, keyword, should be ripe for a turnaround here. But it's continuing to drop.
Order filled.
What did I do? I'm not sure how I did that, but I accidentally entered a long on the contest on gold. Meant to adjust this chart to get this out of the way, which I'm not sure how that got there. And I accidentally entered a long. Crap. Come on, turn around for me.
Stop sale.
The second mistake trade I've made today.
Look for the bounce here. All right, there we go. Getting a bounce. More bounce to the ounce. Nope. Should have got out on the bounce.
Tiny little blue candle forming on the one. Nope. Come on. Come back up for me.
There we go. Turn around, damn you. And Q just kind of hemming and hawing. Well, I stress about gold. Ah, man, are you serious? I'm gonna die on this hill in gold.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. It just stopped me. Wow. Fuck you. Never gonna be able to trade. I cannot trade. I'm a loser at this. I gotta stop trying. Thinking I can trade. Full candle popping on the 2.
Order submitted.
Oh. I blew the competition account. So I'm gonna have to reset. This was stupid. This was 100% stupid of me. You know, when this idea was being formed about this little affiliate competition, it was supposed to be a small little thing, a few people, and I should have never agreed to it once I didn't realize how big it had gotten. And it's we'll get the fucking reset. So all I'm doing is having my name embarrass myself in front of a whole bunch of other people. Now I'm going to be 2 days behind, which means even if I can get the stupid thing to the funded level, I'm going to be 2 days behind there. I know I don't know how to trade, and I keep trying to convince myself I do. No, it's just the. You didn't watch my video, did you, son? That explains all that. You don't get to keep the funded. No, it's just for the competition.
Topstep. Topstep. Order bill.
Gold did the bounce I expected it to do after it stopped me out. I just give up. But it is if you're not fighting the trend. Gold's been coming down, coming down. If you look, I mean, if you look at the 1 minute on gold, there was multiple purple candles I could have taken along the way. Instead, I looked for the bounce, which I did get, but not until after it decided to push me down harder. Just going with the trend.
Order filled.
No, you don't get to keep the funded account.
Gold is continuing to die.
Topstep.
Oh, thank you. Try to push up.
Order filled. Topstep.
Complete chop.
Filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Well, the bot just got some wins on the short. But even the bots are down. Let's see, one bot's down 1,400 and one bot's down 670. was a quick whip down. We have a Fed speaker speaking. There's a bounce back up on NQ after that fall.
Order filled. Stop filled.
This fall on gold is just absolutely amazing. At the bell, it hit an all-time high. I think it was an all-time. No, okay. Well, I think I don't know exactly. But anyway, the point is that at the bell, we popped up to 39.23. We're down 70 points on gold. Mohit, how you doing? Did they change policy on payouts? Can you give me a little bit more? What do you mean? What do you think they changed?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Mohit, do you not hear me? I did answer your question. Or, I mean, I asked a question in response to your question. Can you guys hear me? Right. Yeah, I mean they are doing faster payouts now. I know they used to be a once a month payout. I'm not sure if that's still the case, but yeah, they've made a lot of changes over the last few months that have been trader friendly. Give me a second here, and I'll see if I can quickly find the payout rules now.
There we go. It's after 10 trading days, Mohit. Provided your account meets or exceeds the minimum threshold, and the minimum withdrawal amount is $1,000. Withdrawal requests can be made on any day as long as conditions are met. That's been in effect since July 15th.
Order filled.
Bot took the short. Both bots took it.
Target filled.
And the bot won a trade. Yeah, Hassan. 1 minute and 2 minutes.
Order submitted.
It's tired, Ace. I literally spend hours a day. I know how to trade, and I just can't execute.
Order filled.
I know what works. I know my strategy works. And 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 I just don't understand why I constantly look for the counter trend instead of just going the easy route with the trend. And it's a just this mind thing I can't seem to break. And if I can never learn to execute well, then this is never going to happen for me, and I'm tired of it.
I see a long trend, and instead of saying, how can I get in on that trend, because most likely that trend's going to continue, I say, let's look for where's it going to turn around? And it just doesn't make sense. No, it's not going to change anything. It does, it's going to end up killing my affiliate earnings.
Target filled.
The bot's making a comeback. It's only red by 205. Anyway, it's time for me to head off for the day. Hope everyone has a great day. Come back tomorrow. We have no non-farm payrolls. So, should be an interesting Friday without. Well, I'm in this competition thing, though, Ace, and that only lasts for October, and, I mean, just not doing anything on it wouldn't make sense. So anyway, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to wish Greg Trades YM a happy birthday on the Discord.